Hey everyone, Les here from BG Trading. Hope you are well. Today is 20th of July 2022. I'll be talking about ZIP, which the SX code is ZIP. This is a stock that we have been trading over 2020, 2021 several times, has been incredibly profitable. And we have entered into this stock about 2 weeks ago together with our VIP members, as you can see here at our VIP Black private community, and then we're now almost 20% up on this, and still offering a potential further upside as we actually confirming a bullish intersection level 1 just as we speak. Let's understand what does it mean for the stock, and let's understand why I believe ZIP could do really well from now on, as it has been showing the first signs of it, and why I believe it is a stock that at least we have to have a little bit of that on a portfolio for the next 12 months. Guys, I'm gonna jump straight into the analysis of this stock. The reason I'm doing that is so we don't mess around. Now, take a look at the chart formation of ZIP. So we've been trading ZIP several times here after COVID crash at 2020. And then obviously we made one of our best trades here in February 2021. And then we trade a few times, and then the stock has taken a stop loss at the last trade right here. We attempt to enter again this year, some stage around here. And again, we have to take another stop loss. So, but now we have a very particular formation on the stock price that that indicates a buying opportunity, a huge buying opportunity, right? It is an indication that we haven't had for over a year on this stock, and it now has been it's been confirming as we speak. The stock now is priced at 60 cents. So we're talking about a bullish intersection level 1. So when we buy and sell stocks, you're gonna go over again our strategy, BG Trading and BGS20 strategy. And by the way, if you want to learn everything about it, jump into bgtrading.com.au. We have an online course which you can learn all the KPIs, all the indicators to use this very same strategy, set up stop losses, set up target, define whether the stock is undervalued, overvalued, technically fair value, all in this strategy. So, and the course is super simple. So we'll take one only a day, and you get the knowledge. So really worth it, because this is the time of the market that people still scared about, but that's when offer great opportunities. And we've seen that with a MEGAPORT. If you look at the last video last week, we entered the MEGAPORT, and we could close the position today with about 25 to 30% profit. Just jump into our last video and have a look anyway. So now this is another stock that has been forming really well. Now, bullish intersection is, again, if you haven't been following us, bullish intersection just means that we have the yellow line, which is the EMA 9. Before you're asking, this is exponential moving average 9, a key indicator for us. Doing a bullish cross on the SMA 40, which is the simple moving average of 40 days. Okay, why we use that? Because our strategy forms based on intersections and based on hypothetical support and based on the candlestick Fibonacci chart. So this all shows that this stock is now sitting exactly at the point that we wanted to be buying it. If you look in the past, I'm going to identify a few points as similar, just as such. So if you look in the past, we have this very same point here. Look what happened with this stock after. We have this very same bullish intersection right here. I mean, several times. I might just say highlighting the big ones. Okay. So we have bullish intersection. Right here too. As you can see, followed by bullish intersections, the stock tends to go up. And then when we have all the confirmations that we need with a green Heikenashe, large volume on the upside, so that's what we need to enforce this bullish intersection. When we don't want to be holding this stock is after a bearish intersection, which happened right here. Okay, this is where you need to sell. Don't hold it. I'm gonna turn it in red just so you know. This is red. So that's when you don't want to be holding the stock, because after that, this is false. As you can see here as well, another bearish intersection there. Look at this. Bearish intersection. Let's put another one. Look, it's a very simple strategy, but also you need to combine with macroeconomics and understand what's happening behind the scenes of the company. And that's what we do here at BG Trading with our VIP members. So I'm going to show you again. Now, I'm not going to disclose a target, but I believe that we could see at least $1 target on this stock in the foreseeable future. And I'm talking about next 12 months, provided that interest rates, the number of hikes has been already priced in. And also the big contributor for ZIP to be potentially turning around as we speak is the fact they walk away from CESO bid. This is a big thing because they're no longer leveraging the same sort of exposure in the market just for growth purposes, because this wasn't sustainable. So we could see what happened with the stock market, with the stock price. And also the fact that now the management is being taking pressure from the shareholders because they need to start reporting profit. And we're being told by the management they are set to declare profit by 2024, for financial year 2024, which is 2 years away from now, right? If they do so we definitely could see a massive rebound, and I'm talking about, again, like over 100% rebound in this stock. Also, this is a largely short stock. Once all the short traders start sort of closing position, which is happening, that's when we have these massive spikes. But I really like the chart formation, the bullish intersection. This is, for me, by far the strongest indication to buy. But again, there's no guarantees in the market. You need to make sure you protect your capital if you have to, in the event that falls further. And then if it happens that we're going to see from this bullish intersection here, let's say we have a confirmation, we need another 2 days to confirm this cross. And what we want it to be is holding the stock as long as it trades above, the candles are still trading above this red line. If crosses back, if the yellow line crosses back, then obviously there's a sell. And a lot of people might be comment that this the ZIP is now it's very risk stock. I understand bad debts will be increasing, but this is we're talking about 97% downside from the all-time high, and 90%, and it's currently trading 90% below the last bearish intersection, right? And the company is sort of now going towards profitability. Now, we did our last analysis back in 2021. The company could have been profit this year if you wanted, if they haven't expand, if they didn't have that hunger for expansion, but they decide they've chosen by expanding, which is good. Now bringing balance back to the balance sheet is extremely important, right? The plus on this company, Zip itself, I don't use Zip myself, but I actually downloaded and I went through the platform compared to Afterpay, compared to CESO and other companies. And for me, by far, is by far the best customer experience. And they keep increasing number of partners jumping to the platform, which is good. Now, so another thing I want to just share with you is the fact that the fact they walk away from CESO acquisition gives them focus to potentially invest elsewhere, not into buy now, pay later space, but to sort of vertical integrate the business into different sort of stages. We've been told in the past they would be looking to trade in crypto and stuff like this. And that's, I think, this is the path where which Zip should take from now on. Vertical integrate the business into different sort of scope of services. Don't invest in this, or don't trade this stock if you're looking at a potential takeover target. Okay, so we don't trade stocks by expecting the stock, the very same stock we buy to be taken over by another company, as it happened with Afterpay. Don't do that. If you're trading this stock, just means that you believe it is undervalued. It is fundamentally and technically undervalued. It's overshort, and also you believe there is upside for this stock. Guys, this is what Zip for me is a buy, and the chart is sort of confirming it's just that you don't want to be buying at the FOMO area. You want to be buying now. Once it gets in the FOMO area, this is the worst type of stocks to buy. So buy now, don't buy at the FOMO area, because we'll be in the FOMO area. This stock hasn't been in the FOMO area for the last 12 months. So when it become a stock that is trading in the FOMO area, then a lot of people will be sending us a text. Can we still buy that? That will be too late. That will be too late, and you have missed about 70 to 100% potentially from the bottom of this cycle. Guys, this is still a lot of risk in the market, obviously. We could see further sell-off on US market, but as well as I be analyzing US market, if inflation peaks as we speak at the moment, if it's peaked, the peak of inflation is now, then a massive chance of this type of company, growth stock, to start going up again. Guys, let us know what you think about Zip. I know it's a company that is going to be taking potentially a little bit more increase on bad debts, but I believe it's all being factored into the price already. And again, like, we're not investing in this company for the long term. We're trading this for short to medium term profit. That's what we do. If you're investing, I'm not telling anyone to invest in this stock. This video is all about trading the stock, make as much profit you can, and get out, invest elsewhere. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. The whole idea when we designed BG Trading BGS20 strategy was to use only a set number of indicators to make it simple and clear to understand, and to be able to apply our KPIs very easily and very effectively. So you don't have to be any Wall Street smart person to be able to apply those strategies. We really hope this course will help you to make better decisions and make successful trades. See you in the course.